5 Best Website Builders for Beginners. Start building with no tech skills needed. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, where we turn big ideas into online income, one smart move at a time. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever had that dream of starting a website, launching your business, or building a brand? But the moment you open your laptop, you're like, wait, what now? What do I click? Where do I even start? You're not alone. We've all been there. Building your first website can feel like defusing a bomb. One wrong click and boom. Blank page, no clue, total chaos. But not anymore. Today I'm showing you the 5 best website builders for complete beginners. And I mean the type of beginner who thinks HTML is a medical condition. These platforms are user-friendly, affordable, and powerful, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. And yes, I'll reveal the #1 overall best website builder that I personally recommend, Shopify, and why it deserves your attention if you're serious about success. Let's start right away. Number 5. Site 123. So simple, it's almost magic. If you're looking for speed and simplicity, Site 123 is your guy. This platform is built specifically for people who want a no-fuss, no-tech experience. You literally just pick a category, choose a layout, type in your website name, and boom, your site is live in minutes. It comes with preset content blocks, so instead of designing from scratch, you just edit what's already there. Want to change your about page? Click, type, done. Need to add contact info? It's already built in. Now, the downside. You won't get much creative freedom or advanced features. It's great for personal blogs, portfolios, simple event pages, or even a quick landing page for your small service business. But for long-term scaling or full-blown online stores, not so much. Still, if you want to launch something today, and I mean literally today, Site 123 makes it almost too easy. Number 4. Zyro. Clean looks, low cost, and built-in AI tools. Next up is Zyro, a growing favorite among bootstrapped beginners and side hustlers. Zyro is part of the Hostinger family, so it's lightweight, fast, and reliable. What sets Zyro apart is its balance between simplicity and functionality. You still get a beginner-friendly builder, but now with the ability to sell products, add marketing tools, and even write your content using AI. Yes, that's right. If you hate writing product descriptions or about pages, Zyro has AI tools that'll write them for you. Crazy, right? The design templates are modern and mobile optimized. You won't find fancy animations or flashy gimmicks here, but what you will get is a clear, clean site that loads fast and looks good. It's perfect for bloggers, freelancers, coaches, and even small e-commerce businesses that want to start lean. Oh, and did I mention the price? It's one of the cheapest platforms on the market, which is gold if you're just getting started and want to keep costs under control. Number 3. Wix, the jack of all trades with endless possibilities. Now, if you want a website builder that can do literally everything, and you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Wix is the one. Wix gives you drag-and-drop control over every inch of your site. You can choose from 800+ designer templates, use scroll effects, video backgrounds, photo galleries, contact forms, menus, bookings, online stores, you name it, Wix does it. The good part, that freedom. The challenge, that freedom. Because with great power comes great overthinking. Beginners can easily get overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. But if you're someone who likes tinkering, designing, and experimenting, you'll love the creative flexibility. Wix also has an AI setup called Wix ADI, which builds a site for you based on a few simple questions. So if you're scared of the blank canvas, just use ADI and customize from there. It's great for photographers, creatives, educators, and small shop owners who want their site to feel custom-made, even if it's your first one. Number 2. Squarespace, the design lover's dream. Alright, here's the platform for people who want their site to look like it was built by an award-winning agency. Squarespace. It's sleek. It's elegant. It's smooth. Squarespace is all about that modern high-end look. The templates are polished, typography is on point, and it feels like everything is already perfectly placed, because it kind of is. You don't have to do much to make your site beautiful. But Squarespace isn't just about looks. It's got built-in blogging tools, email marketing, appointment scheduling, and even e-commerce features. So if you're a photographer, fashion brand, fitness coach, podcast host, or content creator, Squarespace helps you make a statement without learning Photoshop. The editing process is block-based and very beginner-friendly, but not quite as drag-and-drop as Wix. And while it's a bit more expensive than other options, what you get in return is a site that makes people go, wow, this person knows what they're doing. Even if you built it at 3 a.m. with a cup of instant coffee. Number 1. Shopify, the best website builder for beginners ready to sell. And finally, the undisputed champion of beginner-friendly website builders, especially if you're trying to build a brand, sell online, or launch your own business, is Shopify. Let me say this clearly. If you want to sell anything online, whether it's physical products, digital downloads, print-on-demand merch, or drop-shipped goods, Shopify is the best platform, period. Here's why. Shopify was built from day one to help entrepreneurs launch and grow e-commerce businesses. You don't need coding skills. You don't need design skills. Shopify walks you through every step. Choose a theme, add products, set prices, connect payments, go live. It's that simple. But what makes Shopify really shine is what happens after you launch. Because it's built to scale with you. Want to add upsells, email marketing, or live chat? There's an app for that. Need better SEO tools or faster checkout? Already built in. Want to grow on TikTok, IG, or YouTube? Shopify connects directly with all of them. And support. Shopify offers 24/7 live chat and phone support, plus tutorials, blog posts, YouTube guides, and a huge community of store owners helping each other grow. In short, it's beginner-friendly but never basic. And hey, if you're ready to start your journey and want to support the channel, I've dropped a special Shopify link in the description box below. Click it, sign up, and let the hustle begin. So, quick recap. Site 123 is the easiest way to launch a basic site in minutes. Zyro gives you AI tools, e-commerce, and a low price. Wix gives you total control and insane customization. Squarespace makes your brand look rich, polished, and ready for Vogue. Shopify gives you all the tools you need to sell, scale, and succeed online. Which one should you choose? Simple. Ask yourself, do I want a pretty website or a profitable business? If it's the second one, go with Shopify. And remember, you can grab the Shopify link down below to start building your dream store today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce gold, and drop a comment telling me what you're building. I want to cheer you on. This is Dropshipping Hustle, and as always, keep hustling smart and building like a boss.